Hi, my name's Kristina Phillips. I'm an interior designer here in Ridgewood, New Jersey. Welcome to my home. Growing up, my father was an airline pilot, so we lived in a lot of different places and experienced a lot of different cultures. It's these experiences that really have shaped the design of my home. So our home was built in the early 1900s. The style of the home is a Craftsman bungalow, and what I love about it is this great wraparound lemonade porch. I created the seating area in this corner to enjoy the breeze from the backyard to the front yard. And sitting here is a lovely way to enjoy a warm evening with a cool glass of wine. And now, come on inside. Right off the entry is this mudroom, which is all about function and fun. My favorite thing about the cubbies is the space above it, which holds my ever-growing hat collection. We wanted to keep the original stained glass window, but we also wanted to add a little bit of mid-century modernism, which is evident in this artichoke chandelier. And I continue that contrast throughout my home. I wanted my living room to feel warm and inviting, so I wrapped the walls in this beautiful Phillip Jeffries grass cloth that has just a hint of shimmer in the background. I also mixed in several antiques that I inherited from my Swedish grandparents, like this grandfather clock and cabinet. A couple summers ago in Stockholm, I found this Josef Frank fabric that I knew would be perfect for my drapery. And to play off the floral pattern, the blue and white buffalo check is a classic Swedish motif. To bring in a little more mid-century modern, I added this Saarinen table. And to tie the whole room together, I had this custom rug made in India that's a wide stripe to ground the space. Because of my upbringing, I really learned the art of collecting. For instance, you can see I've collected these wooden horses known as dalahäst from Sweden, and these Nantucket baskets, which were woven on the island. And on the other wall, I found these two painted murals in the back of a dusty antique shop, and I knew they'd be the perfect addition to this room. The sofa is upholstered in an ikat fabric, and the two swivel chairs are done in a fret pattern with a orange detail welt. We've had a lot of fun in this room, either by reading a book, having a glass of wine, or turning on the record player and spinning a few tunes. This kitchen was all about location. We wanted it to have a beautiful view of our garden. So I obviously knew where I was going to put the sink, right in front of the window. I really wanted a big center island, and this piece is one solid slab of quartzite. We have seating for 5 and plenty of storage. I went with the classic white cabinetry. And if you need a drink before heading outside, I put a bar in the corner. My office was a complete gut renovation. First thing I knew I needed in here was lots of light. I added skylights, French doors, and I added a floor-to-ceiling window. I meet clients in here, so I knew I needed a place to present my work. So I had this bulletin board custom designed. Since I spend so much time out here, I wanted to make it as comfortable as possible. So I installed a kitchenette. The backsplash is Swedish inspired, and my favorite part about this space is on a beautiful day, I can open up the French doors and take calls outside. As I do with my client projects, I've infused my own home with color, pattern, and plenty of collections. And I hope to see you on my next project.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.